Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We hit a 25 subscriber milestone last week. Thanks to all of you. So today we'll make a DIY toner. This is how my face looks like after my face wax treatment I did in 2018, beginning of 2018. It caused acne. And now this is how my face looks like after using the DIY products I use at home. I make it at home and I use only organic products, and it caused a huge improvement with respect to the drugstore products and medication for me. So let's get started on what all we need to make this toner. I'll also give you a tip of using this toner as a face mask mixer in the end. So you need a spray bottle, 2-ounce spray bottle, which should preferably be made of a glass. It's a 2-ounce spray bottle. Then you need organic apple cider vinegar, and then the optional products are lavender oil or tea tree oil. I used organic apple cider vinegar, guys. I bought these products from Whole Foods, but these are available in Amazon as well, so I'll leave a link for all these products in the description box below. In the end, you need some normal water. Mineral water would do the best. And now let's just wash the container and the pump and the lid really well so it takes off all the residue. This is the third toner that I'm making, so I need to wash it really well. So you need not dry the bottle completely because you're going to fill water anyway. And also remember that this toner can be a little drying for your skin, so make sure that you identify the right proportion for your skin type. Like I told you before, this is a completely organic apple cider vinegar that I'm using, so please shake the bottle thoroughly before you start using it for the toner because you can see the sediments in the bottle. And after you mix it, fill 1/4 of the glass container with ACV. You can vary this proportion based on how dry or oily your skin is. If your skin is more oily, you can use more of ACV, and if it's dry, you use very less of ACV and more of water. And for my skin type, which is combination and sensitive, I fill 1/4 of it with apple cider vinegar and the remaining with normal water. And the toner is now ready to use. You need not add the optional ingredients, which are lavender or tea tree oil. If you can take the odor of apple cider vinegar. After you apply this toner, mind you guys, you might smell like a salad, but the results are just amazing. It dries off your acne and clears the scars. That's all you want from a toner. It clears off the excess dirt and clears acne. So I add 2 to 3 drops of lavender oil. I do not add tea tree oil because it's already there in my DIY face wash, for which I'll leave a link so that you can watch that as well. And you can try different combinations of lavender and tea tree oil, and based on the odor or fragrance that you actually want. Now the toner is ready, and before every use, make sure that you shake it well so all the ingredients get really mixed up. I'll show you 2 ways on how to use this toner. So if you have a normal and oily skin, you can apply the toner directly on your skin and wipe it off with a cotton pad like I'm doing right now. It takes off the excess dirt after which is left after using your face wash. It's very beneficial for people who use excess makeup. So how I use this toner is, because I have sensitive skin, I spray the toner on the cotton pad and then I wipe the cotton pad thoroughly all over my face. Now after using this toner, I make sure that I use my DIY facial oil. You can use any moisturizer that you use daily, but remember to use it. One more tip I have about with this toner is you can use it as a face mask mixer. So I'm using the Indian healing clay as my face mask currently because it is a deep cleansing facial for me. I mix it with the toner, as it says mix it with apple cider vinegar, but I do not want to use it directly, so I kind of use the toner for that. So this is my DIY face wash which we saw last week, and this is the toner, and the next one is the DIY facial oil which I use. I wanted to show you a clear before and after picture so that you get a clear picture of how my skin improved after using these products. That's all for today, guys. Thanks, and like, comment and subscribe.